Hey everyone, the BenQ MA270UP and MA320UP represent a focused and thoughtful approach to external displays designed primarily with MacBook users in mind, while still offering enough versatility to appeal to users on Windows and other platforms. Rather than chasing high refresh rates or gaming-centric features, BenQ has clearly positioned these monitors as productivity and creative companions, emphasizing visual clarity, color consistency, and modern connectivity. Both monitors share the same core panel technology and resolution, with displays running at 3840 by 2160, delivering sharp 4K visuals across 27 inches on the MA270UP and a larger 31.5-inch canvas on the MA320UP. This resolution-to-size balance works well for macOS scaling, offering crisp text, detailed UI elements, and plenty of screen real estate for multitasking. The 60 Hz refresh rate reinforces the idea that these are not designed for competitive gaming or fast-paced action. Instead, they prioritize stability, clarity, and consistency, which is exactly what most MacBook users look for in an external monitor. Color performance is one of the main selling points of the MA series. Both displays are rated for 99% OS/RGB coverage, making them well-suited for general creative work, web content creation, and photo editing aimed at digital platforms. Coverage of the wider DCI-P3 color space sits at 95% on the MA270UP and 97% on the MA320UP. BenQ is careful not to market these models as pre-press or professional grading displays, and that honesty is refreshing. Instead, they are tuned for visual consistency and everyday creative accuracy rather than absolute color precision. A standout feature is the so-called nano-gloss panel coating, which aims to strike a balance between glossy and matte finishes. In practice, this enhances contrast and image depth, especially in well-controlled lighting environments, and makes the monitors feel closer to the aesthetic of a MacBook's built-in display. BenQ's color tuning technology is central to the MA270UP and MA320UP's identity. For users who are sensitive to mismatched whites or subtle color shifts, this can make a noticeable difference in day-to-day comfort and workflow. The integration goes a step further by allowing brightness control directly from MacBook keyboard keys, something that many Mac users miss when connecting third-party monitors. Ergonomics are another area where BenQ delivers a well-rounded experience. Both monitors support height adjustment, tilt, and pivot, allowing them to rotate into a full 90-degree portrait orientation. Connectivity is modern and practical, with USB-C playing a central role. A single USB-C cable can carry video, data, and up to 90 watts of USB power delivery, making it possible to charge a MacBook while driving the display at full resolution. This one-cable setup significantly reduces desk clutter and aligns perfectly with the expectations of laptop-based workflows. HDMI and DisplayPort inputs are also included, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices beyond Apple's ecosystem. Overall, the BenQ MA270UP and MA320UP feel like monitors designed with real-world usage in mind rather than spec sheet competition. With sharp 4K panels, solid color performance, thoughtful macOS-focused features, and strong connectivity, these monitors make a compelling case as premium productivity displays that also happen to work very well outside the Apple ecosystem. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.